Kamusta kayo mga tropa? Kumain na ba kayo? Kung hindi pa, tara na at kain tayo. Wala pala kaming kantin ngayon, kaya naman sa labas tayo kakain. Ang ulam natin ngayon ay fried chicken, dahil wala naman tayong choice. Hahaha, biro lang. Ano ang fried chicken? English ito kaya ready mo na ang tissue mo, biro lang tropa. Fried chicken, also known as southern fried chicken, is a dish consisting of chicken pieces that have been coated with seasoned flour or butter and pan-fried, deep-fried, pressure-fried, or air-fried. The breading adds a crisp coating or crust to the exterior of the chicken while retaining juices in the meat. Broiler chickens are most commonly hot chicken, common in the Nashville, Tennessee area, is a pan-fried variant coated with lard and cayenne pepper paste. The first dish known to have been deep-fried was fritters, which were popular in the European Middle Ages. However, the Scottish were the first Europeans to deep-fry their chicken in fat. Meanwhile, many West African peoples had traditions of seasoned fried chicken, though battering and cooking the chicken in palm oil. Fried chicken has been described as being crunchy and juicy, as well as crispy. Occasionally, fried chicken is also topped with chili like paprika or hot sauce to give it a spicy taste. This is especially common in fast food restaurant chains such as KFC. The dish is traditionally served with mashed potatoes, gravy, macaroni and cheese, coleslaw, corn or biscuits. The dish has also been called spicy and salty. The dish is renowned for being greasy, especially when coming from fast food outlets. It has even been reported that some of those who enjoy eating the food limit themselves to eating it only a certain number of times a year to keep their fat intake reasonably low. Out of the various parts of the animal used in fried chicken, the wings generally tend to contain the most fat, with almost 40 grams 1.4 ounces of fat for every 100 grams 3.5 ounces. However, the average whole fried chicken contains only around 12% fat, or 12 grams 0.42 ounces per every 100 grams 3.5 ounces. 3.5 ounces of fried chicken generally contains around 240 calories of energy. Salamat kay God kasi nabusog na tayo. Kung nagustuhan nyo ang ating content, huwag kalimutang mag-follow at subscribe, at syempre,
Yon, tapos tayo kumain mga tropa. So, pauwi na tayo ngayon. Solve na! Galing tayo kay Uncle Jan. Yung dating mini-stop, ngayon Uncle Jan na. So, thank you for watching.
salamat sa suporta ka tropa. Hanggang sa muling panunood. Paalam.